Hi, everyone. This is Lesley Suzette, InspiringlyNatural here with another great video. Oh, today is a special, special day. Happy Mother's Day. I'll talk more to you all about that in just a few minutes today. We've got some great content. I wanted to start off with my, lipstick of the day. Fenty Beauty, Fuchsia Flex. Mwah, got that on today. A beautiful fuchsia, just a glittery, beautiful balm. And then it kind of, during the day, it just turns even pinker, if that's a word. It's just so beautiful. I definitely had to share that with you before we take a break and come back. We're going to talk about the importance of sampling, but we're also going to sample two fragrances that I just received in the sample form. So hold tight. We'll be right back. Welcome back. Lesley Suzette, Inspiringly Natural, all things beauty, all things fragrance, all things self-care. I have one goal in mind, everyone, and that is to inspire as many of you as I can to be your most best and most beautiful selves, both inside and out. Wow, you all. I'm so excited about today. Um, I don't know if you've watched any of my shorts recently, but I've held up in one of my shorts this box. Can you see that? I don't know if you can read those words, but it says scent split. You all, I received this box in the mail last week because my husband and I, we wanted to sample some fragrances that we have been reading about, watching about, hearing about. You all know that, that TikTok and that Facebook, and yes, even YouTube, always something new out there. And so we wanted to try a sample because the importance of sampling, I think, has been overlooked. I don't believe in a lot of blind buying, and some people do, and that's okay. But we over here, we're on a budget and we have other priorities as well. But we want to make sure too that we're being wise with our purchases and that we just don't do a bunch of blind buying and then we're disappointed when it comes and it's not a fragrance or a product that we like. So a great place to go, and believe me, I'm not a sponsored person. This company did not ask me to say this. Scent Split is a good one. There are lots of other ones out there to try, but we found this one to be really helpful. Just getting some of the samples of some of the fragrances that we've been thinking about, been hearing about, and wanting to smell. And here we have it, and we've been able to sample some. I'm going to do some video content on some of the samples that I've already war tested, meaning I put them on, had them on all day, and want to give you my thoughts on them. So be looking for that as well. Well, you all, I have two fragrances in my possession. And yes, I got the 10 mil because I want to sample them. I want to wear test them, see what I think. They've been on my wish list. And yes, I've been able to get both of them in my hands. One of them, I'm a little late to the party, but you all know over here, Lesley Suzette, we don't care about being late to the party as long as we get to the party. Okay. So I'm at the party now and I have this one in my possession, and we're going to open this today and see what we think. And then I have one in which I'm not late to the party. So we're going to see what we think. So this is Kayali Eden Sparkling Lychee number 39 in the 10 mil. Okay. And so I'm going to go ahead and try this one. open this up. What I love about Mona and what she does with her product is she always gives you the notes on the back or on the bottle if you get the bigger bottle. But she also, on the side, I noticed that she had some perfect pairs here. And you all know I'm all about the combos. And on this sparkling lychee, the numbers are just, how many tries it took to get to the perfect scent for sparkling lychee. And this one says that the perfect pairs for this one would be sparkling lychee and vanilla 28, sparkling lychee and juicy apple, and sparkling lychee and pistachio gelato. I have all of these except juicy apple, but I will be trying that with a dupe. Okay, so here we go. What a cute little bottle. This is so stinking cute. Oh, that's so cute. It's just like the big bottle. And so here we go. I'm going to get my handy dandy cards out if I can find them. Yes. And we're going to give this a try because I'm already wearing. Today I went to church. It's Mother's Day, of course. Happy Mother's Day. And I wore one of my samples, Delina La Rose. Giving a shout out to Delina La Rose by Parfums de Marly. I wore that today, and boy, is that beautiful. But I do have some thoughts about that. You'll have to watch that new content when it comes out about what I thought of my scent split fragrances and samples. But today we're looking at Kayali Eden Sparkling Lychee, number 39. So I'm going to just give it a spray. Let's see how it sprays. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Oh, wow. Okay, you all. This is this is nice. This is nice. I'm going to share the notes with you all on this one. This one is very bright, perfect for the spring and summer. This is so nice for the spring and summer. Very fruity and very sparkling. It's kind of me fizzy. It's giving me that fizzy soda, sparkling flavored water kind of feel. And it's so bright for the spring, and it's changing on me as we speak. So let's talk about the notes for number 39, Eden Sparkling Lychee. This has top notes of black currant, sparkling lychee, Italian lemon. I can smell all of that. And red apple. That red apple, you all, along with that currant, lychee, and lemon, it is so well blended. This is so good. It has mid notes of rose, the damask rose, okay, the candied violet, of which I smell, jasmine sambac, and then bottom notes in the dry down, it's going to give us some sugared amber, cedarwood, musk, vanilla absolute, and sandalwood. But all I can smell right now, oh my gosh, now that candied violet, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. That rose is coming through, that damask rose. This is absolutely fizzy, happy, sparkling, juicy, making my mouth water. I'm trying not to drool on camera. That's how juicy this is. And ladies, if you're going today for Mother's Day, if you had this, maybe you wore this, let me know in the comment section, because if I had this open, I would have probably worn this today as well, because if I was going to brunch, this would be so wonderful for that brunch time feel. This is juicy, sparkling, just some yummy goodness. Oh, wow. What a fragrance, and how cute is this? That is Eden Sparkling Lychee, number 39 by Kayali. You all, now this next one, I'm not late to the party. I am right on time. Oh my goodness. This is so exciting. You've seen some reviews on this probably, but you have not seen a Lesley Suzette review on this one. And this one that I'm going to open next is, yes, another Kayali, and it's Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar, number 42. Wow, you all. They've been talking about this one. And I'm so excited to try this one myself. I am opening this box as we speak. And again, this one is supposed to smell like some candy. It's supposed to smell like candy. I don't know what kind of candy, but candy. So let's see what we have here. Look at this bottle, you all. Look at this bottle. It is so cute. I don't know if you can see it, but oh well, we tried. It's just pink and frosty, and I don't know how to. It's just girly. It's just girly. Oh my gosh, look at this. Let's see. There it is. I had to put it next to my skin. And how cute is that with this dress? How cute. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness, you all. That is so pretty. Now you talk about girly and cute and fun. This already shows me that this is going to be a fun fragrance. And again, this is Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar number 42. I'm enough talking. We got to try this one. Let's see. Two sprays. Okay. Wow. Okay, you all. Here we go. This is fun and flirty. This is cute. This is if you have a teenage daughter, or if you're my age and you just want to have a fun time, say you're going to the, local fun park or somewhere, with your jeans and your Nikes, your Converse, your glittered shirt, your tank top, your jean jacket, your headband. I mean, I'm going back to the days of Madonna. I mean, I could go there with you. This is this days of Cyndi Lauper. This reminds me of just fun. But at the same time, it's got that womanly edge. It's not your, it could remind you of some of those candied fragrances, like the Aqualinas, but it's got that edge to it. And it's just cute and flirty and yummy and gourmand. Let's see what's in here. This one has notes. This is Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar. This has notes of candied pear. Hold on. Yes, y'all. I get it. A pear. Think of a pear that's candied. So like a candy apple. Think of if they did what they do to candy apples with a pear. Wow, that's so unique. It's got violet leaves, rum. That's the edge. That's the edge. Your lang-a-lang, but then it comes in with that cute, fluffy marshmallow and vanilla cream. Wow, 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 y'all. Y'all did that, Mona? And then in the mid, you get jasmine, lambdamum, okay, white caramel, okay, bubble gum, and jelly bean. Wow. And at the bottom or the base notes, you're going to get that tonka, vetiver, sandalwood, cashmere woods, patchouli, rock sugar, Kayali signature accord. Wow, her own signature accord. This is so fun. See, that's what I love about these Kayali fragrances. You could dress up or you could dress down because I could literally see myself wearing this at church today for Mother's Day. I mean, how perfect does it go with the blouse? So to smell like what my blouse or my dress looks like, how fun is that? This is well done, you all. Well done. I love it. I'm so glad I got a chance to sample this because I thought it was going to be like the Aquilina sugar fragrances, but this one has an edge to it. Not too sweet, light enough, but sweet and fluffy with the marshmallow accord, the Kayali signature accord. I'm so happy to hear that. The bubble gum, the jelly bean, the rum with the edge, and the vanilla cream, the candied pear. This is just a wonderful new fragrance. Wow, you all, this was fun, fun, fun. These two, again, I got the 10 ml bottles, okay, to sample them because I want to know if that's something that I want to buy a full bottle of. And hey, so far, I'm impressed. I'm impressed and I really enjoyed those. So keep that in mind. You don't have to spend all of your coins. Go ahead and think about sampling. So you all know that I cannot leave today, especially on this beautiful Mother's Day, without some words of inspiration. I love Proverbs, okay? So this particular proverb says this: charm is deceptive and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. Now, some would say, oh my God, you mean I got to be scared of God? No, that's not what this means. It means a woman that honors the Lord and who loves God and who really wants to make God happy. That is the woman that is to be praised. So we always think, oh my gosh, we got to be perfect. We're content creators, we're this, we're that, Instagram, all of these things that we have to be perfect. But it says beauty is fleeting. Listen, you can be the most gorgeous person in the world and have a deceptive heart, have a mean spirit, have evil ways. But it says that a woman that fears the Lord, that loves God, that serves the Lord is to be praised. And I believe that. I believe that we can be just as beautiful on the outside, but even more beautiful on the inside. That's to me is the most important thing. And today on Mother's Day, whether you're a mother to be, a godmother, a grandmother, an auntie, oh my goodness, this is your day. I celebrate each and every one of you. And I want you to know beauty is fleeting, okay? And it says, and charm is deceptive. But a woman who fears the Lord, she's the one that will be praised by her family, her friends, and those that love her. You, my dear, are to be praised today. So happy Mother's Day. Enjoy your whole weekend. And thank you for watching this channel. I'm so grateful to all of you, everyone that has subscribed. Thank you. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and we are not far away. I believe we're somewhere around the 800 mark, maybe a little over. And if we could just get about 200 more to subscribe, we will be at the 1,000 mark. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for hitting the like button. If this content gets you get value from it, I'm going to ask that you hit the like button because that helps this channel greatly. Thank you for sharing. Sharing also helps the channel. And thank you for not forgetting to hit that notification bell. Well, listen, until next time, I will see you then. Happy Mother's Day.